What's up, everyone? Today I'm revealing how you can make $1,000 to $3,000 every month online, no matter where you live. Forget sketchy surveys. These are real, sustainable business models that can change your life. I'll break down 7 proven methods step by step, so you can start today. This is the blueprint to financial freedom, not clickbait. So, silence your phone, close your tabs, and pay attention. This could be the most important info you hear all year. Let's dive in. First up, freelancing. This is the gateway to building your own income stream, right from your bedroom, your favorite coffee shop, or anywhere with Wi-Fi. Freelancing is more than just a side hustle. It's a real way to take control of your time and your future. It's the fastest way to start making money online. You don't need a fancy degree or years of experience to get started. All you need is a skill, a laptop, and the willingness to put yourself out there. If you have a skill, writing, design, video editing, social media, someone will pay for it. There are thousands of businesses and entrepreneurs looking for help every single day. Your unique talents are valuable, and there's a client out there who needs exactly what you offer. Go to Upwork or Fiverr and create a killer profile. These platforms connect you with clients from all over the world, and they're the perfect place to launch your freelancing journey. Use a professional photo, write a strong bio, and showcase any work you've done. Even if you're just starting, include school projects, personal work, or anything that shows your skills. Make your profile stand out. On Upwork, bid on projects. Don't be afraid to start small. Every project is a chance to learn, improve, and build your reputation. On Fiverr, create gigs, like, I'll design a YouTube thumbnail for $10. Be specific about what you offer, and make your gig titles catchy and clear. Start with low prices to get your first clients and 5-star reviews. Those reviews are gold. They build trust and help you stand out from the crowd. Every happy client is a stepping stone to bigger opportunities. Once you have a few, raise your rates. As your portfolio grows, so does your value. Don't be afraid to charge what you're worth. Clients will pay more for proven results. I've seen people go from $5 to $500 per project just by building a reputation. In-demand skills include video editing, graphic design, copywriting, web development, and virtual assistants. The more you learn, the more you can earn. If you're not sure what to offer, look at the top gigs in your category for inspiration. See what's working and put your own spin on it. There's always room for new talent and fresh ideas. Don't have these skills? YouTube is packed with free tutorials. Learn the basics in days. There are endless resources online to help you level up, from beginner to pro, without spending a dime. Every major company hires freelancers. The demand is huge. Remote work is the future, and businesses are always searching for reliable, talented people to join their teams, even if it's just for a single project. Your first attempt won't be perfect. Just get started. The only way to learn is by doing. Every proposal you send, every gig you create, is a step forward. Challenge. Sign up for Fiverr or Upwork, create 1 gig, or send 5 proposals today. Take action, even if you feel nervous. The hardest part is starting, but you'll thank yourself later. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The perfect moment is now. The sooner you begin, the sooner you'll see results. Your future self will be grateful you took this leap. Prove to yourself you can do this. Celebrate every small win, and remember, every expert was once a beginner. I believe in you, now believe in yourself. Let's move on. Method 2. Online tutoring. If you can explain anything, you can get paid to teach it. Platforms like Preply, VIPKid, and Cambly connect you with students worldwide. You don't need to be a certified teacher, just fluent in a language or skilled in a subject. Create a profile, make an energetic intro video, and let your personality shine. Price yourself competitively at first to get students and reviews. Top tutors earn $50+ an hour. Even at 25 hours, that's $2,000 a month for part-time work. You control your schedule and your income. Tutoring is rewarding. You're helping people reach their goals. Challenge. Identify 1 skill you can teach. Browse Preply, see what tutors in your niche are doing, and get inspired. Your hobby could be your next paycheck. Next, affiliate marketing. This is one of the most popular ways to earn passive income online, and for good reason. Imagine waking up in the morning and seeing that you've made money overnight, all because you shared a link to a product you genuinely like. This is how people make money while they sleep. You don't need to create your own product or handle customer service. Instead, you promote someone else's product, and when someone buys through your unique affiliate link, you get a commission. It's a win-win. The company gets a sale, and you get paid for connecting them with a customer. Amazon Associates is a great place to start. There are millions of products to choose from, and it's completely free to join. You can find something for almost any interest or hobby. Share your affiliate link in a blog post, a YouTube video description, or even a simple social media post. The more helpful your content, the more likely people are to trust your recommendations. If someone clicks your link and buys anything on Amazon within 24 hours, you get a cut of the sale, even if it's not the exact product you recommended. The key is trust. Build an audience that values your recommendations. People are more likely to buy if they feel you're being honest and authentic. Pick a niche you love, whether it's hiking, tech, fashion, or anything else, and create content around it. The more passionate you are, the easier it is to connect with your audience. Provide real value and honest reviews. Share your personal experiences, tips, and insights to help your audience make informed decisions. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes effort and consistency to see results. It takes time to build an audience, create quality content, and gain people's trust, but the potential is huge. Once your content is out there, it can keep earning for you, day after day. One blog post or video can earn you commissions for years, especially if it's about a product people are always searching for. Challenge. Think of a product you love, something you'd recommend to a friend. Google product name, affiliate program, and see if there's an opportunity to earn by sharing it. Or sign up for Amazon Associates to get started with a huge range of products. Get your first affiliate link, share it, and see how easy it is to start your journey toward making money while you sleep. For all the creatives out there, this is your moment. Print on demand is a game changer for anyone with a spark of imagination and a desire to share it with the world. Imagine designing t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases from the comfort of your home and selling them to customers all over the globe, without ever worrying about inventory or shipping. Platforms like Spring, Redbubble, and Printify make it incredibly easy to turn your ideas into real products. You don't need to be a tech expert. These sites guide you every step of the way. Just upload your design, set your price, and let the platform handle the rest, from printing to shipping, and even customer service. It's a hands-off way to start your own creative business. The best part? There are no upfront costs or risks. Your product is only made after someone places an order, so you never have to worry about unsold stock or wasted money. You don't need to be a professional designer or have years of experience. Anyone can get started, even if you're just experimenting or learning as you go. Sometimes, the simplest ideas work best. Text-based designs, clever puns, or inside jokes can really connect with people and become bestsellers. Free tools like Canva let you create eye-catching designs in just minutes. You don't need expensive software or fancy equipment, just your creativity and a bit of time. Focus on specific niches. Think about dog lovers, nurses, gamers, teachers, or any group with a shared passion. Create designs that speak directly to them, and you'll stand out. Promote your products in online communities, Facebook groups, or on Instagram. Social media is a powerful tool to reach your audience and build a following for your brand. Remember, not every design will be a hit right away, but if you keep creating and uploading consistently, your chances of success grow with every new idea. The more designs you have, the more opportunities you create for someone to discover and buy your work. Variety is key. Here's a challenge. Open Canva, make a simple design, upload it to Redbubble, and list it for sale. Don't overthink it. Just start. In just 30 minutes, you could have your very first product online and ready for the world to see. Why not give it a try today? Method 5. Dropshipping. Run an online store without ever touching the products. Create a Shopify store, find products on AliExpress using Oberlo or CJ Dropshipping, and list them for sale. When a customer buys, you order from the supplier, who ships directly to the customer. You keep the profit. The secret is finding unique problem-solving products that people want to buy on impulse. Product research is key. Spend time browsing AliExpress for hidden gems. Market your products with targeted ads on Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. This method requires a small investment for your store and ads, but the profit potential is huge. If your ads are profitable, you can scale fast. Challenge: spend 30 minutes on AliExpress. Look for interesting products, and imagine what could sell. My favorite: content creation. Make money from YouTube, TikTok, blogging, or Instagram by building an audience. You don't need millions of followers. With 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can monetize on YouTube. Real money comes from multiple streams, ads, affiliate links, merch, and sponsorships. Pick a niche you love. Your passion will attract your tribe. You don't need fancy gear. Your phone is enough. Focus on ideas and authenticity. Be consistent and improve with every post. Challenge: film a 1-minute video about something you love. Don't post it, just get comfortable on camera. That's the first step. Last method: remote customer service. Work for major companies from home with a steady paycheck. Find jobs on sites like Indeed, LinkedIn, We Work Remotely, or Flex Jobs. Highlight your communication skills on your resume. Even retail or volunteer work counts. All you need is reliability, good communication, and a quiet workspace. Many companies provide equipment and benefits. This is a practical, stable way to earn $1,000, $3,000 a month online. Challenge: spend 15 minutes on We Work Remotely and see what's out there. You'll be surprised by the opportunities. That's it. 7 powerful ways to earn $1,000 to $3,000 a month online. Pick one method and take your first step today. If you found value, hit like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments which method you'll try first. Check the description for a bonus resource guide. The opportunity is right in front of you. Take action and start building your future. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next video.